Hi, I'm Jimmy, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into 5 delicious dinner recipes featuring Greek yogurt. Get ready to transform your meals with these healthy and tasty dishes. From savory chicken curry to refreshing tzatziki sauce, Greek yogurt is super versatile and packed with protein. We've got everything from curries to kebabs, pasta, and more. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Let's get started. First up is the Greek yogurt chicken curry. This recipe is a game changer. It's creamy, flavorful, and easy to make. We need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Toss these in a bowl with a tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, coriander, and salt. Mix until the chicken is nicely coated. Heat a couple tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add a diced onion and cook for about 5 minutes until softened. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute. Crank up the heat to medium-high and add the chicken, cooking for 6 to 8 minutes until browned. Add a cup of plain Greek yogurt, a can of diced tomatoes, and a cup of chicken broth. Stir, bring to a boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. Cook a cup of basmati rice according to package directions. Serve the curry over rice, garnished with fresh cilantro. Enjoy your Greek yogurt chicken curry. Get ready for some flavorful grilled salmon. This recipe is all about the marinade. Combine a quarter cup of plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon each of olive oil and lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk until smooth. Pat dry 4 salmon fillets and place them in a shallow dish. Pour the marinade over them, coating evenly. Cover and marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Preheat your grill to medium heat and oil the grates. Grill the salmon for 4 to 6 minutes per side until cooked through. Let it rest for a few minutes to redistribute the juices. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy. Get ready for a healthier twist on classic Alfredo. This Greek yogurt pasta. Alfredo is creamy and delicious. Cook 1 pound of fettuccine pasta according to package directions. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about a minute. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of low-sodium chicken broth and bring to a simmer. Reduce heat to low and whisk in 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper until smooth. Toss the cooked fettuccine with the Alfredo sauce until evenly coated. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh parsley and extra Parmesan cheese. These Greek yogurt stuffed bell peppers are bursting with flavor. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut 4 large bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. Place them in a baking dish. Cut side up. In a large bowl, combine 1 pound of ground beef, half a cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup each of chopped onion and mushrooms, a quarter cup of chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until well combined. Stir in half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Spoon the beef mixture into the pepper halves. Pour a cup of water into the bottom of the baking dish. Cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes until the peppers are tender. Top with your favorite cheese. Enjoy your Greek yogurt stuffed bell peppers. Get ready for a taste of Greece with these lamb kebabs and homemade tzatziki sauce. Cut 1 pound of boneless lamb into 1-inch cubes. Combine a quarter cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin and paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Add the lamb cubes to the marinade, coating evenly. Marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. For the tzatziki sauce, grate 1 medium cucumber and squeeze out the liquid. Combine the cucumber with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon each of chopped fresh dill and lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Stir until well combined and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Thread the lamb cubes onto skewers. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Grill the kebabs for 4 to 5 minutes per side until cooked to your liking. Serve with tzatziki sauce, warm pita bread, and a simple Greek salad. And there you have it, 5 incredible dinner recipes, all featuring the versatility of Greek yogurt. I hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more deliciousness. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.